Something big is brewing inside Samsung's software labs, something that might completely redefine how fast Galaxy users get updates. For years, Samsung's been playing catch up with Apple's lightning, fast beta rollouts, but this time it looks like the tables are turning. The next One UI update is arriving way sooner than expected, and the timing could change everything for Galaxy owners. Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back. If you enjoy staying ahead of all the Samsung news and hidden updates before they officially drop, make sure to hit like, share this video with your tech crew, and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. Now, let's get into the part that's catching everyone off guard. Samsung's reportedly gearing up to launch the One UI 8.5 beta by late November 2025, almost a full month earlier than last year. That's a massive shift in strategy, and here's why it matters. An earlier beta means a faster, stable release, fewer bugs at launch, and older Galaxy models getting the update sooner than anyone expected. It's a sign that Samsung's finally learned from the One UI 7 delay, when users had to wait for months just to get stable builds. This time, the company seems determined to deliver smoother, more synchronized rollouts across regions. Behind the scenes, Samsung's been quietly restructuring its development process, automating internal testing and tightening the feedback loop between its Korean and global teams. The result, One UI 8.5, built directly on Android 16 QPR2, is already in advanced testing. That's the same mid-cycle update Google uses to push its Pixel feature drops, but Samsung's taking it even further. Instead of just porting Google's tweaks, they're rebuilding the experience from the ground up with faster animations, deeper system integration, and a refreshed UI polish that makes Galaxy phones feel brand new again. And that's not all. Leaks hint that One UI 8.5 could bring a much smarter connectivity system that automatically jumps between Wi-Fi and mobile data to keep your connection stable. No more awkward dropouts mid-call or during video streaming. It's one of those invisible upgrades that you won't notice immediately until you realize your phone just feels smarter about staying connected. The camera's also getting some serious love. Expect enhanced Pro controls, better HDR handling, and smoother transitions when switching between lenses. Samsung's reportedly working on a new adaptive processing mode that adjusts in real time depending on lighting conditions, cutting down on over-sharpening and motion blur. For creators and mobile photographers, that's huge, especially for night shots and cinematic videos. Another thing Samsung's tightening up is security and spam protection. A more advanced AI-powered call screen feature could finally debut with One UI 8.5. Instead of just blocking unknown numbers, it's designed to detect patterns from scam networks in real time, similar to how Google Assistant handles spam on Pixel phones, but integrated into Samsung's own ecosystem. Combine that with refined privacy dashboards and app permission controls, and it's clear Samsung's pushing for a cleaner, more user-controlled experience. But here's the fun twist. Not everyone will get the beta at the same time. Samsung's rolling it out in waves, starting with flagship devices like the Galaxy S25 and the upcoming S26. Mid-range models will follow soon after, though at a much faster pace than before. Last year, Galaxy A series users had to wait nearly 3 months after the Fold and Flip releases to get One UI 8. This year, the wait might be cut in half. If Samsung sticks to its roadmap, we could see stable builds rolling out globally by early 2026, right alongside the Galaxy S26 launch. There's also something symbolic about this release. For the first time, Samsung's building an update that feels like it's trying to out Google. By directly using Android 16 QPR2 as its foundation, Samsung's positioning One UI 8.5 as more than just a skin. It's a deep system-level refinement meant to future-proof Galaxy devices for the long haul. That's why this update is such a big deal. It's not about adding flashy new icons or colors. It's about making the entire experience faster, smoother, and smarter. And the best part, all of this could drop sooner than we think. If the late November beta launch leaks are accurate, Galaxy users are in for one of the fastest turnarounds in Samsung's history. From development to public testing to stable release, the company's finally proving it can match Apple's efficiency while still keeping Android's flexibility. So yeah, One UI 8.5 isn't just another incremental patch, it's Samsung quietly flexing its muscle in the software world, building momentum toward the Galaxy S26 launch. If this rollout goes according to plan, it could set a new gold standard for Android updates and make waiting months for a stable build a thing of the past. And honestly, If that happens, 2026 might just be the year Samsung officially closes the gap in the software race.